Today we're going to cover heat detector wiring and best practices. Before we start wiring, let's talk about why smoke and heat detectors are critical. Homeowner safety. These devices protect lives by giving early warning in case of smoke or fire. Code compliance. Inspectors expect properly interconnected alarms, especially in garages, hallways, and open areas. System integration. The red interconnect wire ensures that when one detector goes off, all alarms in the home respond together. This is what inspectors will test during finals, and it's what keeps homeowners safe. That's why every installation must be done cleanly, correctly, and tested before leaving the job site. First, locate the breaker that powers the existing smoke detectors. If the panel isn't labeled, be prepared to work carefully with a live circuit. Every house is different. These instructions cover single-story homes with attic access. Two-story homes follow the same process, but will likely need conduit ran on the exterior to reach the attic. Find the nearest smoke detector in the home. That's our tie-in point. Next, locate attic access, usually in the garage, master closet, laundry, or a hallway. In the garage, mark a spot on the ceiling near the battery location. Stay about 4 inches off the wall, but no more than a foot. Avoid areas directly under the garage door. Trace your single gang pop-in box on the ceiling and cut the opening with a drywall knife. Feed Romex 12-3 into the opening, and walk the coil out so it doesn't snag on insulation. At the nearest smoke detector, pull it down, disconnect the harness, and open up the junction box. You'll see black, white, red, and ground. That red wire is key. It carries the interconnect signal. Use a glow rod or a short scrap of Romex to fish into the attic. This will guide your new wire run back to the junction box. In the attic, grab the glow rod and Romex, then pull the new wire back into the smoke detector junction box. Down in the garage, cut the wire about a foot past the opening and secure it into the pop-in box. Strip the Romex carefully with a utility knife. Expose about a ½ inch of copper on each conductor. Using wire nuts or Wago connectors, tie in white to white, black to black, red to red, sometimes shown as orange, and ground to ground. Tuck the wires neatly into the box and mount the detector bracket, followed by the heat detector itself. Repeat this same process inside on the nearest smoke detector. Once all detectors are in place, restore power at the breaker. Press the test button on the garage heat detector. You should hear all interconnected detectors in the home go off together. Repeat by testing one inside and confirming the garage responds. This proves the system is interconnected correctly. Best practices. Replace hallway and open area detectors with smoke/CO combo units when possible. Inspectors often check for them. Avoid putting combos in bedrooms. Always secure wiring cleanly, with no stripped copper exposed outside the connectors. Take clear photos of your work for RTR review. And never leave the site without testing all alarms. It protects the homeowner and keeps us compliant. Installing and testing detectors the right way builds customer confidence, passes inspections, and most importantly, keeps families safe. Always follow these steps, document your work, and double check with a full system test before wrapping up the job.